Hello buddies, well today I'm going to make my custom YouTube play button for no reason. Well, to make a play button I just cut a square inside a book which is not looking good. Now let's wrap a big sheet of paper around this so that it looks good. Wrapping is done, now let's customize this piece of sheet with sketching. Sketching is done, inking is left in some spots, but it's already 11 PM, it's time to sleep. So let's complete this tomorrow morning. It's the second day working on this thing, hope I complete it today, so let's go get the job done.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same, all you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye?
Inking is done, now it's time to color. If everything went right, it will be my best doodle I have ever drawn. Wish me luck guys.
Last I got that sinking in my stomach from that loss. Of course it's got me thinking's got me flummoxed from the cause. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded. I just wanna know why some of us are haunted. 'Cause in the skies, all we ever wanted. All of us got distracted by the trees inside the forest. 'Cause I was never ready for this. So I can't tell where my heart is. No, it's all in for this. So I can't tell where my heart is. No, it's all in for this. Fast I get those feelings weighing heavy on my heart. It's hard to find the reasons here for everything gone wrong. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded. I just wanna know.
Finally, after spending 2 days of time, this thing is completed. Enjoy the reveal. Wait. Before going, if you enjoy the video, smash that like button. If you like my overall content, feel very free to subscribe. If you do so, I may get the original play button from the YouTube. Even I'm very curious to grow on this platform. Anyways, do whatever you want. I will see you in the next week.